How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jeff Herrick. I'm coming to you from Green Industrial today, Belgium, Wisconsin. Today we are featuring a 45 kW little Kohler. This is a diesel generator set. It's a little inline 6-cylinder white diesel, turning a 277 480 volt generator in, 3-phase. It'll get you about 70 amps of 277 480. It's got its own unit mounted start and stop panel, has a little battery charger on here. The system is started and runs on a simple 12 volt system. So it's one battery to keep charged, and again, there's a charger right on here for you. So we just went through a PM on this thing. It has all new oil and filters, obviously some hoses, and it runs fantastic. We'll start it up and run it for you today. So if you're looking for something small, 70 amps of 3-phase, folks, give us a call. Save some cash, and we'd love to help you out. We're going to go ahead and run it, but if you have any questions, just give us a shout at the office, 262-476-5045. You'll also see this on our website at GIBUYS.com. So as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.